Guys, here's a little outside view what the brake booster looks like. Nice and clean, looks good. It sits well with the paint, and we're rocking. So let me bring you guys inside. Hydro conversion, I made it. All credit goes to Young Static. This guy gave me the idea when I needed help, when I needed to know, which thickness the metal was. He wasn't, hesitant about helping me out. So all props to Young Static. You should go check him out on YouTube. That guy is a straight DIY person, and he knows what he's doing. I get mad props to him. Been following him for years now. The only problem I did have was this area here. Made a little incision, took this out, and it bolts up good. Nice and flush. Have no complications. We're straight. Now it's just time to put the clutch master here, see how that goes, and then see where I'm gonna run the line for the reservoir. So I'm currently running the Chase base prop valve. This is a 40/40 prop valve right here for disc brakes. I have my line coming into the chassis right here. That's gonna run to the rear lines. So for starters, you wanna have this backed out all the way. This is gonna help you out for stopping. When you turn it the other way, I guess we could say to the left, that will cause your brakes to lock up. I'm gonna have this line run here, as you can see right there. Then this is for the front right and left. This is gonna have a banjo. Alright guys, tapping in with a quick update. This brake booster right here is off of an EG coupe. It's bigger, it's gonna allow me to have better stopping power. I have it running into a 40/40 prop valve from Chase base. So on the inside, as you can see in here, on the inside, the line runs up to the rear of the reservoir. So this is gonna allow you to have fluid coming down to the outer side of the proportion valve, and that's gonna run to the rear of the brakes through the inside of the car. This is the F fitting here. This is gonna tap into your rear hard lines. So you're gonna have to flare them out and install this with some caps that it comes with. This nipple connects to there, as you can see. All right. So this is for the rears. Don't forget, you need an F fitting, or you could just run it direct back there, however you want to do it. This is how I have the kit set up. This is a double banjo here. I have this side, the front, running to the left, driver's side, and I have the opposite side. This will be the right brake line, running all the way down under the proportion valve, along the line here outside the right side. So yeah, that's how it goes. These two are for the front brakes. This one is to the rear of the brakes. Don't get it confused. One goes to the end, that feeds to out to the rear. This one's just for the front here.
Estamos volando. Estamos en aeroplane.
Take this motherfucker off. Yo, what up, everybody? Shit, we live.
What's poppin', you feel me? We on the boat.
Let them know who you are.
Hey, it's Mazo Margella, aka Mazo Lil Baby, aka Young Mazo, aka the flyest nigga in the world. You feel me?
Throw your Apple Music out there.
You feel me? Apple Music is Mazo Margella, MAHZOMARGIELA. You feel me?
There we go. Hey, we're fucking live out here.
We about to take off, you feel me?
We about to get on and popping. Hell yeah, it's been a long time. I'm excited. Yeah, peace out, motherfuckers. We currently lost Randy, Julissa, Fabi, A-Rec. A lot of people are fucking missing in action. We live though. Oh, shit, look at that. Hey, Red. Oh, what's good, homie?
What's up?
Dang, he said girls ass right there. Ooh, what's up, mommy? Nah, I'm just playing. I'm fucking with you.
This right here.
Hey, you're dead, homie.
Hey, you're dead.
Hey, Jado. There goes Nelson, looking for the rest of the people, because they fucking lost. Hey, bro, hurry up. We're tired of waiting for you. Just get on.
Look what he's announcing, like, why are you pushing me? Yeah. Hey, bro,
hey, bro, what's your name? All right, you're in the vlog, bro. You're in the vlog. Hey, there we go.
I ain't tryna waste no time. I've been stuck inside my mind. My mind's been fighting all the time with me, cause I've been in denial. I've been trying to press rewind with time, but I am not no god, cause I'm a product of the crimes I've committed over time. I ain't tryna waste no time. I've been stuck inside my mind. My mind's been fighting all the time with me, cause I've been in denial. I've been trying to press rewind with time, but I am not no god, cause I'm a product of the crimes I've committed over time. Won't you picture this? Little Chris and his siblings and his friends all get to fiddle with sick dividends and bitches. Roll around Mercedes Benz, rocking the most expensive lenses. Living life so lavishly, only high fashion is my interest. Going state to state and getting paid for a visit. Making noise so loud the outer space will shake. It'll quiver. How I'm supposed to see first place if these races just see my pigment? How I'm supposed to see them gates they say await me up in heaven? What's up to all my
A few moments later.
Listen, bros, you're not forgotten. I'ma rock this till there isn't no more boxes for you to fit in. Man, fuck a prison, switch your vision. No more waiting on a sentence. If you need assistance, proper gon' offer some propositions. Get your intuition right. No more robbing, no hopping fences. I'ma make sure that you tight, man. Our options gon' be limitless, like when we was kids and wishing to only see a million. That's why I ain't tryna waste no time. I've been stuck inside my mind. My mind's been fighting all the time with me, cause I've been in denial. I've been tryna press rewind with time, but I am not no god, cause I'm a product of the crimes I've committed over time. I ain't tryna waste no time. I've been stuck inside my mind. My mind's been fighting all the time with me, cause I've been in denial. I've been tryna press rewind with time, but I am not no god, cause I'm a product of the crimes I've committed over time. I ain't ashamed nor afraid of who I become. I've been called everything, from a lame to a fucking chump. Me and my homies, we grade A, but they claim we some fucking bums. It's okay, let them hate anyway. El Sereno made us tough. Raise your glasses if you have to slave every day to make a buck. A constant battle with a hassle. Mama ain't raise a punk. Get off your ass, don't get distracted. Chase that paper, make it happen. Don't go backwards, make a statement. Make some greatness, get it cracking. I've been told I'm real defensive, I guess I am. All my life, man, I had nothing. Now I stand for what I can. Had to get my shit together, develop a little plan. Had to be there for my fam instead of asking for a handout. Gotta be the man now, get off my damn couch. Proceed to lay the plan out and change my damn route. And focus only on selling out, not myself but my shows. I better my wealth and my flows, and I stack my cheddar, it go. I ain't tryna waste no time. I've been stuck inside my mind. My mind's been fighting all the time with me, cause I've been in denial. I've been tryna press rewind with time, but I am not no god, cause I'm a product of the crimes I've committed over time. I ain't tryna waste no time. I've been stuck inside my mind. My mind's been fighting all the time with me, cause I've been in denial. I've been tryna press rewind with time, but I am not no god, cause I'm a product of the crimes I've committed over time.